Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa yummy. First, always rinse your quinoa well under cold water before cooking. This simple step removes saponin, a natural coating that can make it taste bitter. Next, use a 2-to-1 ratio of liquid to quinoa. For example, 1 cup of quinoa needs 2 cups of liquid. Finally, consider using vegetable or chicken broth instead of plain water to infuse more flavor from the start. To elevate the taste even further, try adding some aromatics directly to your cooking liquid. Sautéing a bit of minced garlic or finely diced onion before adding the quinoa and liquid can make a huge difference. A bay leaf or a small sprig of fresh rosemary can also impart wonderful subtle notes. For a richer texture and taste, stir in a tablespoon of butter or a good quality olive oil right before simmering. Once your quinoa is cooked, let it rest for 5 minutes, then fluff it gently with a fork. This separates the grains and creates a lighter texture. Now is the perfect time to stir in fresh ingredients. Chopped fresh herbs like cilantro, parsley, or mint add brightness. For extra texture and nutrition, consider folding in roasted vegetables, toasted nuts, or even some dried fruit. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice also works wonders. Quinoa is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in many ways. It makes an excellent base for healthy grain bowls, topped with your favorite proteins and vegetables. Try it chilled in a refreshing salad with a zesty vinaigrette, perhaps with some cucumber and tomatoes. You can also use cooked quinoa as a filling for stuffed bell peppers or as a hearty addition to wraps and burritos. Enjoy experimenting with this nutritious grain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.